UAE Worksheets. Procedural writing. How to make Arabic mint tea. What is procedural writing? Procedural writing is when you write instructions for others to follow. You can teach other people how to do things by writing out step-by-step instructions for them to follow. Procedural writing can be used for writing out a recipe to teach your cousin how to make your favorite food. Writing out the directions to teach a friend how to make a craft. Or it can even be used to write out directions for your daily routine. Using transition words in your writing is important. Transition words help make your sentences flow smoothly and shows the correct order of your directions. Transition words make your writing sound nicer and easier to understand. Examples of transition words are first, then, next, after, and finally. In procedural writing, you need to write a title, a list of materials or items needed, each step in the correct order. Let's practice. Title: How to make Arabic mint tea. Ingredients: 1 teapot, 10 fresh mint leaves, 1 black tea bag, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 cups of hot water. Ask an adult to help. First, put the black tea bag, sugar and fresh mint leaves into the teapot. Then, ask an adult to carefully pour hot water into the teapot. After, let the tea sit for 5 minutes to let the flavors blend. Finally, pour the tea into a cup and enjoy your warm minty black tea. Do you think you can write down all the steps for someone to follow your recipe? Give it a try and make sure to add details and put your steps in the correct order. And don't forget to use transition words. Before you leave, don't forget to like and subscribe to UAE Worksheets. Don't forget to check out our other videos and leave us a comment about what you learned today.